Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn that how we can send bulk emails from Excel with the help of VBA and Outlook Express. VBA is a typical thing which almost most of the viewer are unable to handle it. So we will give the coding in our description box. You can change only the reference, column and row as well to use this session for your learning as well. So if you can see on the screen that there is a table which we have made in which a email address and CC column and subject and name and the balance amount and the email body. So if you can see the email body have been made, Dear John, following amount due payable amount is 300. Now this is the email which will send to John, and this is a formula which I already given in my below screen of this session, that you can change the reference of your row and column according to your needs. So you can change it as you need. If your email body is somewhere else like in G column or H column, so you will give the reference accordingly and change it. So D3 we are considering the name of John. In C3 we are considering the subject, and the E3 is considering the amount. So if you have to change according to your needs, then you will do it. It is very easy, and one button have been made to send the bulk email. I have made the 5 email address, which 7 is belongs from my channel ID and 2 is belong for my personal ID. So I will do this on these 2 IDs. You can insert as you needed the IDs, and you can also increase the number of rows which you needed. So now alter F11, I have opened the VBA structure in front of us. First of all, we need to click on Tools, then Reference, then select the Microsoft 16 object library from the bottom. Here it is. So here it is, the Microsoft Outlook 16 object library is. You need to click on it. Then I will paste my all coding over here for saving the time, and I will explain in little short and give the coding in the description box for your ready reference. So this is the function which we have made, in which there are 2 variables we are made it, and one is reference to the A column. A is representing over here as a email address where we need to send a email. So it's mean that if your email address sending email address in B or C any other column, so you will consider and change the A to C to B any as you need it. So there is a loop which I have made from the row that it will not stop until it will go to the last row. In my case, there is a 5th row is the last one, so it will send the 5 emails to my email address. So this is the 2 body where we reference the column 1, row 1, that you will take the value from the row 1, which is row 1 is over here to row 1. Now this CC is from row 2. It will consider the row 2 as well. Now the third one is subject, which will consider from the subject, which is due payable, and the last one is email body, which I reference to 6th row of it, which is this one. So first of all, what we need to do, we will drag this formula, and if we will drag it, then you can see now Steve email is written to Steve, and the balance amount is according to Steve, and the next is from Lee, and the balance amount is from Lee. So this is all 5 have been made. Now this is the VBA function have been done. Now what you need to do, if you need to make a button, what you need to do, you need to go to the insert Then click on the shapes and then select any kind of button and you will put over here. So right click on it and edit text and then type bulk email sender. Now this is the button we have made, and what we need to do, once again we need to right click it and assign macros. Now this is the macro which I have made in VBA. You will assign it and press OK. Now this button is ready to go. If I will click on this button, now you can see the mail is going and it will showing me on my default email ID where we need to send. This is the emails are gone, and if we will go to my channel ID, then you can see all the emails from my default ID have been received. So this is how you can make the bulk emails, and this is the CC email address, and you can also see all the emails are receiving from my CC email address as well. If I will open it for Dear Kumar as well, so you can see Dear Kumar following amount payable is 85. If I will go to my screen, so Kumar have 85 is payable. So this is how you can send multiple emails according to your needs, or you can promotions your item as well. I hope that you will like this session. If you like it, then please like the video as well. I am really thankful to you. Thank you.